Hello everyone and welcome to Gastronauts Kitchen. We are excited to share an array of recipes we've picked up from across the globe. Having spent over a decade living and traveling on our catamaran, we've journeyed through various regions and amassed a treasure trove of culinary gems. If you are a fan of diverse and innovative cooking, you are in a perfect spot. Today we're making delicious Thai larb that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. First, toast 1/4 cup of rice to enhance the flavor and texture of our larb. Roast it until it's nice and toasty and then grind it, but not until it's completely pulverized. Leave some pieces the size of finely chopped garlic. There is no sense in roasting only a spoonful of it, so we're going to roast 1/4 cup and the rest reserve for next time. Whether you use beef, pork, chicken, turkey, or a mix, it all turns out amazing. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, take about 2/3 of your shallots and give them a good chop. The rest, slice them thin and set them aside for now. Heat a bit of oil in a wok or heavy pan and toss in those chopped shallots. We're going to stir fry these on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just until they start getting that golden look. Next, it's time for the garlic. Add it to the pan and keep stir frying until it's releasing those irresistible fragrances. Just a minute or two should do. Now crank up the heat to medium-high and get the ground meat in there. Break it up with the spatula and cook it through until there is no pink left. Do keep breaking up meat spaghetti. Chop, chop. If the meat you're using doesn't have much fat, add some oil or duck fat or some other type of fat so that the meat does not get dry. Heat off. Sprinkle in the ground rice and stir it well to mix everything. Now for the fun part, adding our flavors. Sprinkle in some sugar, chili pepper flakes for a bit of heat. You can be very generous with it because in Thailand they are very generous with pepper. Pour in fish sauce and squeeze in the juice of 1 lime and give everything a good stir. Add green onions and the sliced shallots you have saved earlier. Stir everything together well as the pan cools down. Finally, toss in a handful of chopped herbs. Cilantro, Thai basil, and mint. Give it one last stir. And there you have it, homemade Thai larb. Serve this fragrant dish wrapped in fresh lettuce or cabbage leaves, with some sticky rice on the side for the perfect meal. Dive in and enjoy the flavors of Thailand right from your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Thanks for cooking with us today.